Thunderbird again. Last time I had the transmission, I got a new C6 transmission for $100 and took the oil pan, took the drain pan off, and all the fluid looked good. Put a new filter in. I still got to put fluid in it, but while I have that out, I decided I would do put some headers on my 390. So ordered some headers up from Jake's, and I got them in. I didn't get them in, they arrived, and I'm gonna see if I can put them on. Alright, here they are. Pretty beefy long tube headers. I'm hoping they fit on the car. They should. I've seen people put them on the Fairlanes and stuff, and they fit. So it's the same body-ish for them. Comes with gaskets and the other flange piece to start, a little piece here. Then you got to get the rest. So I think I might a little worry about the steering box there, but I think it'll be okay. Nothing else is really, I don't think, is in the way. Maybe this power steering line where it goes down in here, maybe right there where those hoses go, but it actually looks like it'll clear pretty good. We'll see. The other side, I have the starters out, of course, because the transmission's out, so that's easy. I was on the other side. I'm a little worried about the mount. It's a big tube that goes all the way under the motor to the other side. So this is the other side. That's the mount right there. I'm a little worried about that, about it hitting that. But it looks like everything else is, there's nothing else in the way really. We'll see. So I'm gonna take the old manifolds off and see how it goes. Okay, so I don't know if you guys caught it. I didn't catch it, probably because it was behind here, but this first bolt, and there's a nut on the top. And that one's normal, 9/16. I already got that one out, and the other one's normal. So, yeah, already starting out funky. Alright, so having an issue getting this nut off. If I can get a box end on it. If I trim this fin back a little bit, I can get a box end on it, because I'm stripping it right now. So I think if I get my little Dremel, I can trim this fin back a little bit. And this, I'll do this one too, because you see how close it is to the hole. It's right on it. So I mean, it's not supposed to have a nut on the top, but it does, so I'll trim that fin back. Surface is pretty much cleaned up. I think I need a little bit more on that second one there. But I think I need to cut that little ear off in order to get it up in here, because I can't. I was feeding it up through the bottom, and it kept hitting that little ear right there. So I'm gonna have to clean some more off here. I was trying to get in here with the wire wheel and clean them surfaces. So anyway, so I think I might be able to, it looks like it's real close to get this past that right there. So it's gonna be tight. I might have to clearance this just a little bit, and yeah. Also, I might have an issue with that steering box, with the steering box, because it is awfully close to that last bolt over there. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Well, I cut that little piece off. Should give me enough clearance now to get in there, get the header in. So, well, as you can see, still not on there, and it's looking like it's not gonna work. So I got it one hole. The third pipe is here on the fourth hole, so the rest, there's another, so I gotta move it over 4 inches, but I gotta beat the crap out of the header to get it to clear right here. It's not gonna clear here. It's rubbing right here already, and I still got to move it. So, and then if I beat the crap out of it enough to get it to clear this, I was contemplating on beating on this, but I don't want to do that because it's kind of structural, tied into my A-arms, or my A-arms, so I don't want to do that. And if I do get into place, I was already pretty close to all this, and I believe it's going to touch because it's going to be coming down right here, and it's going to be hitting this. So I'm going to give up on that and put the old exhaust back in. Alright, got the old manifold back in. Found the right size bolt for that. It's smaller still than those. Those are 9/16 head. This is a 1/2 inch head. But for some reason it threaded in there and it got good and tight, so I torqued it down. Yeah. I have some battery issues. It's on the charger right now, so next step, I guess I gotta go buy some fluid still, put the transmission in here.